morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just completed the chapter, and in this video I was just going to tell the answers of all the exercise. Okay, so let us write first all the answers of exercise. So here but before that I am just giving the answer of let's answer which is given on the page number 24. So let us write that is in that question number A, that is true or false. In that you can see the food prepared by plant is in the form of proteins. Yes, the food prepared food prepared by the plant is in the form of sugar or starch. Okay, so this is false. First one. Second one, starch from the food is converted into glucose in our body. Yes, that's right. Second, that is true. Third one, vegetable oil is mostly solid at room temperature. That is false. Mostly liquid at room temperature. So third one, that is false. Then after fourth one, our muscles are made up of fats mainly. No, they are not made up of fats. Fourth one, false. Fifth one, that is soybean is a rich source of plant protein. That is true. Yes, it is the rich source of plant protein. Fifth one, true. Okay. Then after question number B, which I am just writing over this side. Question number B, that is give two examples of each of the following. So here the first one, that is rich sources of carbohydrates. So here the rich sources of carbohydrates are, first one, that is corn. Second one, wheat. So these are the two main sources of carbohydrates. Then after fats that are usually solid at room temperature, that are which that is butter and cheese. Butter, cheese. Then after third one, rich sources of plant proteins, that are pulses and grams. Pulses and grams. Okay. Fourth one, rich sources of animal proteins, that are meat and fish. So fourth one, that is meat and fish. Okay. Then after fifth one, water soluble vitamins. So that are water soluble vitamins. Here we have seen that is vitamin C and vitamin B complex. Vitamin C, another is vitamin B complex. Okay, vitamin C and vitamin B complex. So Please write down the answers. Okay, students, I am just giving you some time. Okay, students, have you written down the answer? Now we will just move towards the exercise answers. So, exercise in that question number A, that is fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, that is we get dash from honey and dash from rice. So here the first answer, that is we get sugar from honey and starch from rice. Okay, starch from rice. Then after second one, that is dash are or is needed to help to push the food down in the intestines. So here it is the dietary fibers. Second one, that is dietary fibers. Dietary fibers. Okay. Then after third one, that is we need dash to repair worn out tissues. Okay, we need dash, that are proteins. We need proteins. Then after fourth one, that is milk contains a sugar called dash, that is lactose or fructose. Then here it will be lactose. Fourth one, that is lactose. Then fifth one, scurvy is caused due to the lack of vitamin dash. Which vitamin causes the scurvy? That is vitamin C. Okay, so here vitamin C. Then after sixth one, dash is caused due to the lack of inadequate amount of water. So constipation or dehydration. So here it will be dehydration. Sixth one, dehydration. Okay. Then after seventh one, that is ORS, stands for dash, that is oral reducial solution or oral rehydration solution. So here it will be seventh one, oral rehydration solution. Okay, oral rehydration solution. So here are the answers of question number A, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, now moving towards the question number 2, that is name the following components linked with this following. Question number B. Question number B. So here, first of all, night blindness. So from what we first the night blindness is caused. So here, first you can see in the page number first 25 page number, here you can see from the vitamin C, deficiency of vitamin C because the night blindness. Okay, so which are the food from we get the vitamin A? So here I have written fish and carrots. First one, that is fish, and second one, that is carrots. Okay, secondly, Rix. So from what the Rix is caused? So here you can see vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D causes the Rix. So here, which are the rich sources of vitamin D? That is milk, fish, and eggs. So here, second one, milk, fish, egg. From these three you can write any of the two. Then third one, PEM is dash. PEM, that is pulses. Here PEM, that is caused by here their components of the foods are pulses, soya beans, and fish. Then after fourth one, that is anemia. So that is caused from the rich sources of that are whole grain, pulses. Okay. Then after osteoporosis, that is the components which is linked with that are milk, green leafy vegetables, then after sixth one, that is constipation, so that are pulses and broccoli. Sixth one, pulses and broccoli. Then goitre, that is of the iodized salt, eggs. Okay. So please write down the answers of this. Okay students, I have written down the answers. Now moving towards the next question. So that is question number C. That is, give two examples for each of the following. So here the first one, that is food rich in starch. Okay, so the foods which are rich in starch, that are rice and wheat. Okay, then after second one, food rich in plant protein. Okay, that are gram and pulses. Second one, that is gram and pulses. Okay, then after third one, minerals needed in small quantities by body, that are iron and zinc. Iron and zinc. Then after food rich in dietary fiber, that are apple and strawberry, means the type of fruits. Fourth one, that is apple and strawberry. Okay, then after fifth one, that is food rich in vitamin C, that are which, lemon and oranges. Fifth one, that is lemon and oranges. Then after food rich in vitamin D, that is milk and eggs. Sixth one, milk, eggs. Okay, then after food rich in iron, that is meat and pulses. Okay, meat and pulses. So please write down the answer, students, and then after we will discuss the question answers. Okay students, have you written down the answers? Now moving towards the question answer, we will just discuss here question answer. The PDF will be provided in your respective groups. Okay students, so here first one, that is list the main components of the food. So here if you just open the first page of the chapter, that is on the page number 19. So here you can see there are 5 main components in the second paragraph. That is, there are 5 main components of the food, that are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So this is the answer. Then after, second one, discuss the types of carbohydrates and the rich sources. Here we have to discuss the types of carbohydrate and the rich sources of it. So here the carbohydrates is further divided into 2 types, that is sugar and starch. So the rich sources of sugar, that is table sugar, fruits and honey, and in the starch, that is rice, wheat, corn, potatoes, breads, that are the rich sources of it. Now third question, that is write the functions and 2 rich sources of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, vitamin K and calcium. So here first of all, carbohydrates. So here we have to write the function. What is the function of carbohydrate? Okay. Then after, here the carbohydrates provides us the energy needed to work through the day, and the rich sources of carbohydrates, that are bread, corn, wheat, cornflakes, honey, potatoes. Second, that is proteins. So the rich sources of, what is the first of all the function of protein? That is, our muscles, organs and even blood is made up of proteins along with other things, and our body needs protein for building muscle building and repairing worn out tissues. And the rich sources of proteins are fish, egg, milk, chicken, pulses, groundnuts, chickpeas, soya bean, green peas. Okay. Then after it is fats. So here fats keeps our body warm and also provides us energy, and the rich sources of fats are nuts, cream, cheese, butter, oil. Okay. Then after moving towards the vitamin, so here the function of vitamin, that is, our body needs vitamins and minerals in its for its normal functioning and prevention from the diseases. Okay, vitamins helps in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gum healthy. So this is the function, and the rich sources of vitamins are eggs, lemon, spinach, carrots, fish and milk. Moving towards next, that is vitamin K here. So rich sources of vitamin K, that is spinach, cabbage, the green leafy vegetables, okay, and calcium. Moving towards the calcium, so the rich sources minerals such as calcium. Here you can see the rich sources of calcium. It is given the function first of all, that is for calcium strengthens bone and teeth and helps in clotting of the blood, and the rich sources are milk and dairy products, green leafy vegetables. Okay, then after the next question, that is what happens if we consume fats in a large quantity. So what will happen when the fats we just consume in the large quantity? Then the fat cell will develop, okay, and then some of the disease will be happen. Then after second one, why does our body need water? Here, why does our body needs water? For most of the thing in our body, from transportation, the food transportation, some of the minerals, vitamins, all the thing means the nutrients transportation, and all some of the important chemical reaction, the food water is needed by our body. Then after name the any three minerals needed in large quantity and three minerals needed in small quantity. So here that is minerals such as calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium are needed by our bodies in large amount, and small amount, that is iron, zinc, copper and iodine, which are needed in small amount. Then after next one, that is what do you understand by the dietary fibers? Why do we need it in our diet? So now talking about the dietary fibers. So what is dietary fiber? First of all, here the fiber which is present in our food, that is dietary fiber, and it is very important part of our diet. Dietary fibers add bulk to our food and thus helps to push solid waste through the intestine so that they can be easily passed out the body. Okay, then after next question, why do you understand, what do you understand by the balanced diet? Here now talking about the balanced diet, that is a diet that contains the right amount of different components food required for healthy functioning of body is known as the balanced diet. Okay, so here balanced diet means we should maintain the diet that all the minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, all the things which is there, you should eat in the minimum amount. Okay, then after the next one, that is what are the deficiency diseases? Write 5 deficiency diseases along with the name of the nutrient linked with each other. Deficiency diseases. Here you can see the deficiency diseases. Here it is given from this table. You can write, that is 25, 26 and 27. From that you have to write any of the 5. So you have to write from that. And 10th one, name the diseases caused by the deficiency of each of the following. Also write 2 rich sources of it. This is also from that table. You have to find out and write down the deficiency and also the rich sources of it. And what is ORS? When do we need an ORS treatment? So here ORS, that is ORS means oral rehydration solution, and we need that to the ORS is given to the patient to recover from the dehydration. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay students, and the PDF of the question answers will be provided in your respective group. Okay students, so here we just completed our chapter. From next video we will start our new chapter. Okay students, bye.